at how to set up your profile. So first, to edit your basic information, click on the edit icon here, and you'll be able to select an image. And then after that, crop it, zoom it, whichever way you want. So you have full control on your profile as well as your change in your header image. Below here, you'll see your headline. So I suggest you write something that will talk a little bit about what you're here for. And then you can follow on and add as many of the LinkedIn or the social media profile that you'd like to add. Once you're done, simply save. Below here is the most important aspect of your profile. So the ask me about. So these are 16 skills that you can add in which you can help your community with. So you simply add the name of the skill and then your personal evaluation of the experience you have against that. And then after that, other users will be able to find you based on those skills and then reach out to you for that. Below here are some of your demographic information. So they might be helpful, mostly for reporting and those kinds of things. And then at the end here is the professional experience. So you can add a little bit of color to your profile, if you will, or some experience that will indicate the users that are looking to potentially work with you, what you've done, and things that are relevant to their why they're asking for your help. And that's it. That's how you set up your